fluently every day? Let's learn some powerful English sentences with Bangla meanings. Fast and easy. Important, meaning something that was great value or significance. Bangla গুরুত্বপূর্ণ. Example use health is more important than money. Second, decide, meaning to make a choice or come to a conclusion. বাংলা সিদ্ধান্ত নেওয়া. Example use I can't decide what to wear today. Hurry, meaning to do something quickly because there is little time. বাংলা তাড়াহুড়া করা. Example use hurry up or you will miss the bus. Forget, meaning fall to remember something. বাংলা ভুলে যাওয়া. Example use don't forget your homework. Need, meaning to require something because it is essential. বাংলা প্রয়োজন. Example I need some rest. Try, meaning to attempt or put effort into doing something. বাংলা চেষ্টা করা. Example try your best in the exam. Clean, meaning free from dirt or mess to make something tidy. বাংলা পরিষ্কার. Example please clean your room. Ready, meaning prepared for action or use. বাংলা প্রস্তুত. Example I am ready to go now. Late, meaning after the expected or proper time. বাংলা দেরি. Example sorry I am late. Hungry, meaning feeling the need or desire to eat. বাংলা ক্ষুধার্ত. Example I am very hungry. Tired, needing rest or sleep. বাংলা ক্লান্ত. Example I am tired after work. Finish, meaning to complete something. বাংলা শেষ করা. Example I finished my homework. Wait, meaning to stay in one place or delay action until something happens. বাংলা অপেক্ষা করা. Example please wait a moment. Help, meaning to assist or support someone. বাংলা সাহায্য করা. Example can you help me? Believe, meaning to accept some things as true or real. বিশ্বাস করা. Example I believe in myself. Please subscribe Master English Hub channel.